How to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Now for that, you have to open a Facebook application and make sure that you're logged in with the account from where you would like to recover messages on Messenger. Once you're logged in, now navigate to three-line icon from the top right corner. That's gonna take you to your menu piece. Here again, tap on the settings icon from the top right corner. Now once you land on the settings and privacy page, scroll down a bit, and under your information section there you will find an option that says download your information. Tap on it. Then tap on continue. After that, tap on download or transfer information. Here you have to choose your Facebook account, then tap on next. Then tap on the second option that says specific types of information. Scroll down a bit and then tap on the option or choose the option that is messages. Then tap on next. Here, select the first option that is download to device. Now from this page you can choose the date range. If you wish to do that, tap on this option. Now select the date range, then tap on save. Scroll down a bit. If that's your email address, you can confirm it or you can change that as well. The file format will be HTML and of course the media quality is medium. If you like to change that, tap on it and you can change it. Once you're done, tap on create files. Now once your file is ready, you will get notification in your Gmail and you can download the information or file from this page again. And under that file you will be able to find all your deleted messages and you can recover them as well. So that's how you can recover deleted messages on Messenger, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.